Hello, my name is Mr. Scott Thompson, and in today's skill tutorial, we will be looking at the twin high punch. So, for the twin high punch, we're going to basically start our hands, both of our hands, roll down into a tight fist. We'll be starting them at our hips, palm up. Okay, let's go ahead and start with right leg forward. We're going to step into this strike, roll both of our hands, and strike high with the punches. Okay? So to start with, start nice and slow. So we want to make sure we have nice tight fists, keep our wrists nice and straight. Start with a correct chamber position, just a slow step forward. Okay? Both of the punches coming nice and high. Now, as you can see, those are about face high, and my hands are an inch or so apart. So you want to be real careful that you're not bringing your hands either way far. Okay, that's not going to strike a target. We're trying to strike the target with both of our fists, or in so close that you hit your knuckles together. So we're going to start that nice and slow. Go ahead and bring our hands into our hips. We want to make sure we keep those elbows tucked in nice. If they're chicken winged out, it's going to be, usually you're going to strike too far apart. So we're going to go nice and slow, just C-step into a front stance, twin high punch. Just like that, okay? Start them in, palm up, that's really, really important. So as we step through and strike. Okay. Same thing on the other side. We're just going to C-step forward, twin high punch. In our hips, strike, and step, and strike. Just like with our regular lunge punches, reverse punches, we are striking with our four fists, the two big knuckles, on our hands, okay, both of them. So you do want to be real careful. As we start striking, you want to make sure everything stays nice and tight. We're going to go and look at this from the side, so you can see my wrist, nice straight wrist as I come through. Okay, you want to be real careful that you're not bending them down or up. Okay, roll your wrist. Really, really helpful. Keep them in at your hip, palms up. Okay, as they roll over, they usually come in nice and straight. So we do want these about head high, an inch or so apart. So let's go ahead and look at these on a arm shield. Now what we're going to do, like we do most of our punches, is we're going to actually start off nice and slow with just a touch and push, just to make sure our hands and our arm, good alignment, nice and straight. Make sure we're striking with the correct part of our fists. And then we'll go ahead and pick up the speed after we get real comfortable with the technique. So I'm going to have Mr. Booker go ahead and shift in with an arm shield. Hold as if you'll see how Mr. Booker is holding the shield. This is really, really important. When I come through and strike, you'll see what his, let's take a big step back, Mr. Booker. As his wrists, as I strike the shield, basically, it just collapses in. If you have your hand rolled the other way, it goes against your elbow, and it's actually very, very painful. It's a good way to mess up your elbow. So do make sure you just collapse that against. Okay, so I'm going to start, good form, start in a front stance, nice tight fists, in at my hips, and I'm going to step through nice and slow, making sure I am striking with my four fists, touching, and pushing, okay? So I'm here, in, target about head high, touch and push. Right. Just start off nice and slow. Just make sure you've got the technique down. Just like that. C-step, twin high punch. Okay. Once you get the touch and push down. You're striking with the correct part of your hands. Getting everything nice and straight. You can go ahead, come through with a little bit more power. Okay, chamber ends, same thing, step through and strike. Okay. Really important, you can see where my hands end up after the strike, that they're not way out here. They're separated by this much. The target is the face, it's not a very large target. So on the shield, you want to make sure that you're striking in nice and close. Through and strike. So one more time, step through. One more quick note, especially once you're using a target, you want to make sure your distance is correct. If you end up a little farther away from the target, you end up reaching and breaking your own balance. So if I'm probably an extra 6 inches back to reach the target, I actually have to come real bend out, break my own balance. Okay? Don't want to do that. You never want to break your own balance. Just like we do on a lot of things, when you do that touch and push, you can really work, okay, I know what my distance is to the target now. I can go ahead and add power and speed. Good distance, everything stays. You stay in good balance. Strike the target. Okay, that is the twin high punch. Practice that in the air. Go through nice and slow. Start with a good hand position. Tuck it into your hips. Make sure your hands end up about an inch or so apart. Nope. Right about here. Okay? Nice and slow in the air. Once you feel comfortable with that, move to the shield. Do a touch and push just like we do with a regular lunge punch. Once you get comfortable with the touch and push, you have your distance down. Your hands, your wrists nice and straight. Go ahead and add some speed and power to the technique. Thank you very much for watching. That is our skill tutorial for the twin high punch.